So this is a short video for the issue council to show why drawing weapons is very inconsistent. So I have the default keybinds. Now I press 1 and it pulls the right slot. I repeat, the right slot. Now watch, pay attention. I press 2, it pulls the left slot. I holster the weapon pressing R, and this is consistent. 1, it takes the right slot. 2, it takes the left slot. And then of course, as everyone knows, if I press 2 and I press 2 again, it switches slot, which is fine. It's a bit stupid in my opinion, but it is what it is. So if you hit the wrong key, you will just get the other weapon. And now I holster again, but it doesn't change, it's still consistent. When I press 1, I get my right slot, and when I press 2, I get my left slot. So if I put my weapons in specific slots, I know what I'm getting. So here comes the broken part. If I go into the inventory and I put my guns in my backpack, let's say it's not a backpack, it's the station inventory, whatever. And now I only equip one gun. Notice it goes on the left inventory. So let me get out of the inventory again. It goes on the left inventory. So because it's only one gun, I can pull it with either key, but I should be pulling it with 2. But any key will pull it. Now I'm pulling it with 1, and nothing happens if I press either key. But here is the broken part. If I press holster, it goes to the right slot. So now it's inconsistent, because if I now equip an additional weapon, the weapon is no longer in the slot where I thought it was. Let's say I picked up an NPC weapon. I start by putting it in my left slot. I will show again. You see it's in the right slot now, which is, I'm already confused myself. So it's already on 1. The right slot is 1. You see, my SMG is on 1. I'm pressing 1 to take the SMG out. And now we repeat it, just so if anyone didn't understand it. Look, the SMG is in the right slot. But now, if I equip it, let's say I go out on a mission, and it starts out being in my left slot, which is 2. And when I pull the weapon, which doesn't matter with which key, and I holster it, it goes into slot 1. Now I'm on my mission. Now it still doesn't matter if I press 1 or 2, because I only have one weapon. But now I pick up an NPC weapon, and it goes into the slot where the weapon was originally. So this is why people are always drawing the wrong weapon, because they don't know which slot things are in. There should be consistency in this. If I put it, let's see, let's unequip again. Boop. And just for the last time, I'm sorry, I'm struggling with the default keybinds because I don't use them, but of course for the video I reset to default keybinds. So now again, I put my gun in slot, or whatever slot it's called, the left slot. And now I pull my gun again using either key. It should be 2, I think. Now I'm so confused. And again, it goes, when I holster, back in the right slot. And this is very bad. Actually, I'm gonna show why it should go why your weapon number 1 should always be in the left slot. And the reason why is because if I now wanted to equip a railgun, it's gonna just replace my weapon, because that only fits in that slot. So it should, primary slot should be slot 1. Everything should go in slot 1, And if you only have one, no, I'm saying slot 1, that's what I call it, but the left slot. And every weapon should go in the left slot. If I only have one weapon, when I pull it and put it back, it should go in the left slot. Anyway, that's it.